Hello guys, and welcome back to Jenny's crypto class. In this video I'm going to show you new mining project called Pibase. This project is built on Pi ecosystem, and if you are bullish on Pi, if you are a strong pioneer, you will also need to start mining this project immediately. I'm going to drop the referral link in the video description. Do want to copy my referral link before downloading the app so that you will get commission as well. So right now I'm going to show you how to start mining. So this is the app. Over here you can see that you're on the home section. In this home section you can find, this is home section. If you scroll down, you can see the wallet asset. You have the Pi, the real Pi, and the Pi bridge. This is the asset, the Pi, the USDT, and the VN. All this is what you can find in your wallet right here. So quick link, you can join them on Telegram, Twitter, and Facebook for more updates. Now let's click on mining. So this is the mining, and one good thing about this is that you are going to mine every 24 hours. You come and mine, not that one that will require you to mine every 3 hours or 2 hours. And another thing here is that the current mining rate is at 0.1, so you need to start mining. And if your referrals are not active, you can ping them here, and here is your referral link. You can invite your friends and family to earn more reward. So let me tap on the referral link, copy it. I'm going to drop it in the video description. So right now you need to start mining. To mine, you click on this big mining tool, tap on it. It has started mining. So in 24 hours I'm coming back here to mine, to start mining again. So by doing this you are going to accumulate points before the TGE. And another way to earn massively is this quest. You can see this quest, tap on it. So there is no quest here, so we don't have quest here, but as time goes on they are going to update the quest. So this is the team, where this is where you find your referral team, referral 1, referral 2, and referral 3. So this is how you register. You need to click on this sign up. You don't have an account before, so you need to sign up. Click on sign up. So you are going to sign up with your full name. It is important that you use your full name, because when KYC will start, you might have the challenge if you use a different name. So make sure you use your real name. If you know any name that is in your ID card or any of your identity, make sure you use your real name. You put your password, your email, then you put password, you retype password, you put date of birth. Make sure that the date of birth you are also using is going to be the correct one. Do not use any other thing that is not correct to avoid problem in future. Then you click on this country, put your country. For in Nigeria, you put your country. If you are an Egyptian, you put your country. Just put your country and you click on this continue. You see this captcha, you have to put your captcha, put it here. This captcha, these letters you are seeing here, you have to put it here. Then you click on continue. You are going to see a message that is sent to your email so that you can verify the account. Go to your email, check your email, and click on the link to verify your account. Please activate your account by clicking on this button. So I need to click on this button to activate my account. If you do not click on this button, you are not going to activate your account. Look at what they say. The action could not be processed. There were validation error, wrong validation key. So you need to retry it. So the next thing to do in this project is, so over here you can see that you can actually deposit, withdraw, trade Pi. You are trading the real Pi, and invest. So for you to deposit, you need to do your KYC before you'll be able to use this deposit feature. And you can simply complete KYC by verifying your identities or card through this thing to passport. So first thing to do here is to do the KYC. If you can do KYC right now, it's very, very important to do it. Now that the project is still new, this project I think was 8 days ago, it's still new, you can apply for your KYC and it will not waste time. Look at what they say, account verification. To begin the verification process, please have your identity document which are the same owner as Pibase account ready, passport ID, Now, non-KYC, basic KYC, ID card or passport, advanced KYC, verify Pi wallet or top up USDT through VNDC. So this is what you need. So for you to do the KYC, just start basic KYC and put your ID card or passport, whichever identity you have. Now you can also withdraw your coin here. Then you can as well trade Pi. The Pi you are trading here is the real Pi. So start mining this project immediately. So this is, you choose your assets, your crypto that you want to trade or you want to withdraw. Just tap on, let's assume you want to swap Pi or to USDC. So follow the process. So but the most important thing now is to mine as much as you can. Start mining immediately. Link in the video description. So if you find value in this video, please do well to like, share and subscribe and turn on the bell notification for more updates.